Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to crumb coat a cake. And if you want the video on how I made this cake, I will put the link at the end of the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Watch this video to the end. Thank you. It is very important to crumb coat your cake before butter icing to avoid the particles of the cake messing up your butter icing. While baking this cake, I do not have the exact pan size which I need. So I baked with the pan I have, but I used this trick of plates by using my plates to get the actual size of cake I need. I trimmed it off and removed the excesses. I continued this process for the remaining cakes which I baked and leveled it up before starting to apply my butter icing. After doing that, I placed the cake, after the butter icing, I placed the cake in the fridge to set very well, or you can also leave it at your room temperature to set very well before doing the proper butter icing. Please stay tuned to the end to watch the full procedure. I did not fast forward so that it will be clear, so that the procedure will be clear. Thank you for supporting me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come back to watch more easy and convenient recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and in my next one I'll be showing how I covered this cake with fondant icing. Please stay tuned and come back to watch. Bye.